Hey guys, this is Nathan. Let's see, things to talk about this week. What have you have learned about web-based mobile applications? Why is learning about web-based mobile applications valuable? Do you have examples? Okay, so far the main thing I've learned about web-based applications for mobile is they're multi-platform, and so it's can be often a better idea to develop one of those as opposed to a uh, iOS specific or Android specific app because it will run the same overall. Um, there's some other things that aren't as good with that, I think, is that you probably can't really charge for a mobile application unless you charge for the web service itself. And advertisements might be more interruptive or something, since you'd have to be connecting to the internet in order to use it as opposed to just using it on your one thing. Um, it's definitely a valuable thing to learn because as application developers for mobile devices, we're expected to do all platforms, not just Android, not just iOS, and with this, not just web. But developing web apps is definitely important because if we make any websites, I know I'm doing some joint stuff with one of my friends. He's back there. But I'm going to be doing web apps for anything that we do together if we do a website. So definitely important to know on that basis. Any examples of them? I can't really think of any web-based applications I've used, to be honest. Most of the apps I've ever used have actually been straight through my phone and not websites. I don't use my phone for a lot of browsing, so that's partially why, oddly enough. But anyways, that's all I got on this. Web apps are cool. They're not exactly what I prefer. I prefer straight on the phone type application, but I feel it's faster, it's sleeker, it's more customized to fit that kind of phone. While if you make a web app, it has to go for both iOS, you'll have to have that back button there, and Android. And if you do it, well, also for Windows. But while it can be pretty consistent between the Windows and the Android, it has to be able to work well for iOS. And so you'll have that back button floating there even if you don't need it, which is kind of a waste of screen real estate to me. Anyways, you guys have a great week, and I'll make another one of these next week, I believe.